get along with a specific type of woman because I'm too bougie for the ghetto girls, but I'm too ghetto for the bougie girls. So like that hybrid, that in between, that's my tribe.
Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV. So today's clothing haul is going to be...
It's getting cold, baby, I just want you.
I'm going to show you on the side. I know everybody have seen this pattern everywhere. Every designer have it. And it come in all ranges of colors from different designers. You know, I got some from Target. I got some from Macy's. And I'm going to show you some of the things that I got from SHEIN. So we're not going to hold this video up. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoy the content, enjoying the family. To all my subbies, welcome back, welcome back. Let's get started with this haul. Okay, so these are the shoes I'm going to be featuring in this try-on haul from SHEIN. And these, but these are from Macy's. And all the rest of the clothing are from SHEIN. Now, the first thing that I'm going to show you is this pocketbook. I got this pocketbook from SHEIN. It fits my keys. It even have a chain. Fits my keys, my phone, my hand sanitizer, my little wallet. Next, I got this top here. I'm going to tell you that these run small. So, size up in these tops. This top here, let me see if I could show you the sleeves. I'm going to put a picture up on the side for you could get a better view. This is more of a dressier top. Let's see. It's more dressy. We'll be pairing with these shoes here. This shirt is a 3X. I usually wear 2X or 1X. But I had to size up because these fit snug. I may could have got a 4X but it fits good. So I said 3X. So whatever you are, size up, okay? Because they do run small. And here I bought another in black and white, and the sleeves are black. And this is more casual. This one is, the other one I have is dressy, and this is more casual. I can even wear it with my black and white sneakers, with some pants, or I can wear it with my white boots if I just want it to be a tad bit comfortable. I can really mix it and match it in so many different ways. I know you guys have seen this material all over the place, and not just SHEIN, you know, even the higher end stores, you're going to see them everywhere. Everywhere you're going to see it. And some people don't even know it has a name, you know, but it's very popular.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them no to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey, hey, back in that bag.
And this brown one here, it has like the collar here. It has an opening here. And this is the brown and black. My faves. These are my favorite colors. And this right here is a 3X. This is the back. Put a picture up. And I'm going to be pairing them with these boots. Next, we have red. Let's get the holiday season started with some red. You gotta have some red somewhere in the closet because somebody's gonna have a Christmas party and you gotta have something red. So make sure you go and you get something red. Now, all of these shirts, you will see on the side how much they cost because they did not cost a lot of money at all. The material is a little stretchy, which help, but they still run small. And so this one is exactly like the brown one, just in a different color. And I will be wearing these boots right here.
Everybody just bounce.
Now here is the green. This green is just everything, and it comes in so many shades, the green. So this one is different, and it has like a mark neck here. You know, they kind of short. I really like my shirts to be just a little longer, but the fit is okay. It's really okay. And I will be wearing these boots with this one.
Just a phase, I'll make you wanna have to taste. Just a smile that drives you crazy for a while.
All of the shirts are a 3X. If you missed it anywhere in the video, they all are a 3X. Don't just, if you're not a plus size, if you're not a curvy girl, just look in the regular section and you will see pretty much the same things. They have them in every size. I want to thank you guys once again for tuning in to Work of Excellence TV. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you go on the site and look for these items for yourself. And I want you to know that they do have these items in smaller sizes.
Hopping away and I stay in it. I beat it up, I'm playing it. I bust it up, then laying it. Let's go again, you okay with it? I'm parked up, valeting it. Shoot my shot and I'm draining it. I'm Steph Curry, ain't playing this. I don't know what you cost, but I'm paying it. All options, I'm weighing it. If I'm going in.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're
Next video. Be blessed. Take care of your loved ones. Be safe. And let's get this holiday started.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah.